In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the automatic printhead cleaning of your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130E printer. Go to the printer display panel. Click on the menu. Scroll up and look for the tools. Click on the troubleshooting. Select print quality. Select printhead cleaning. So it has 3 levels of printhead cleaning. In case any ink is not showing up on a printed paper, you can start using this method from level 1. With each level, the more cleaning will be done, and if you want to improve the print quality, you can just follow these. So select level 1. It's going to take 1 minute and it will also use some of the ink. So click on the start. If the print result comes really good, then we don't have to go for level 2 or level 3. In case the print result is not good, if any of the ink is missing or not printing properly, then you have to go to the level 2 or level 3. So let's see the print result. All the 4 inks are showing up properly. That means we don't have to do anything else. In case that doesn't work, go for level 2 and level 3. Sometimes even after doing all the 3 levels, the printhead cleaning is not proper. You won't be able to see those inks. That means you have to do the manual printhead cleaning. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch my video on that. Thanks for watching.